Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Legion Live. I'm your host, Tim Jordan, on this fine Tuesday, and we are talking about Amazon. I know that's shocking, but not just Amazon, we're talking about traffic. Now, when we think about Amazon and how people find our products, most people find our products organically. They come to Amazon.com, they search for something, and that something is shown to them as a result, and we hope they buy it. The second most common way that we sell our products, we show people our products on Amazon, is by PPC, pay-per-click within the Amazon platform. The third and most mysterious and kind of mystical way to sell your products on Amazon is through outside traffic. Now, basically what that looks like is you've got a product parked on Amazon. You need to take somebody that's not on Amazon and transfer them to your Amazon listing, right? So that's from a social media link, from a Google ad. There's a lot of different ways to drive people to Amazon. Well, the problem for many years is we didn't know how well it was performing, because I could pull up my results and my reports on Amazon and find out like how many of my 200 sales were organic, or how many came from a PPC listing, and how did that PPC listing within Amazon perform? Like, how much did it cost me? How many times did people look at this ad before they clicked? All that good stuff. But there was this mysterious piece of data which was related outside traffic. We didn't know where it was coming from. We didn't know how it was coming. We didn't know how effective it was going to be. So I could run an ad on Google for an Amazon listing and see how many times people click that ad and go to the Amazon listing, but I didn't actually know how many of them were being purchased from that Google ad. So finally, Amazon created their Amazon Associates program, and that is their affiliate program where there was a type of link that would track that traffic. So if you had a very specific type of link for your as an affiliate, and people click that link, came through, I could run a report on that. The problem is we as Amazon sellers are typically not affiliates. So we were still hosed. We didn't have a clue how to track this outside traffic until Amazon launched Amazon Attribution. Now, I'm going to talk about Amazon Attribution. I'm also going to talk about the really cool referral bonus that's attached to that. But let me explain what Attribution is really quick, because everybody wonders what this is, and a lot of people don't understand it completely. So I, in all of my horribly uncreative artistic abilities, am going to draw you a picture. Terrifying, I know. So what I'm going to try now to do is illustrate exactly what Amazon Attribution is. Okay, so bear with me. This may be ugly, but I'm going to see how this works. All right. So let's say that this is Amazon. Okay, this is Amazon's platform, and this is where all your products are parked. And then a purchase happens and a customer buys that thing. Okay, there's my stick figure person. So this is well, that's a terrible person. Let me fix that. That's embarrassing. All right, let's just make a smiley face. Here's the buyer. Here's the person buying this product. Now, coming from Amazon, this could either be an organic sale, right? This could be organic. Sorry, I'm drawing with a mouse. This could be PPC. And we know all of the traffic sources, the internal traffic sources that are leading to this happy customer that made the purchase. But on the big grand scheme of things in e-commerce, we could be driving traffic from Google. Have you guys ever tried to draw anything with a mouse? It's terrible. It could be Pinterest. It could be blogs. It could be social media. It could be influencers, social media. Like, there's all these different traffic channels, right? And if they're all driving traffic into Amazon, we know that people are looking at our listing. People may be clicking around on our listing, but we don't know actually which one of these was causing the best performance, the best traffic, or the cost. Because let's say that this is Google and this is Google Ads. Like, we need to know the difference between, hey, the SEO value that I created for this link or for this click cost me X amount, where this ad cost me this amount. We need to know that. So this is where Amazon came in with their attribution program. And essentially, attribution is a tracking system. So now what we can do is we can attach an attribution link to all of this traffic. It's called a pixel, or it's called a tag, where any traffic that runs through these little pieces of code that we embed through links or onboarded or installed pixels on pages and things like that, basically is your tracking device. And all of these different tracking devices communicate to Amazon through their attribution program. So now when the traffic lands on Amazon, they go, oh, great. this much traffic came from this source, and this much traffic came from this source, and this came from this source, and it's all individually tracked. So then I know if for this ad I spent $1,000 this month, and I know that from that ad through this specific attribution link, I know that I got 1,000 clicks and I got 28 purchases. I know that my cost of $1,000 divided by 28 purchases is my cost per conversion, right? I also know how many clicks I got that led that link, so I have my cost per click. All of that stuff is massively, massively, massively important. If you do not have a way to track that, then you run into a situation where you don't know how much money you're spending. You don't know what's productive. You don't know what's effective. You make better decisions when you have information. So the Amazon Attribution Link system and platform is a radical game changer for all of us. Now, Amazon spiced up the game a little bit with what they call their brand referral bonus. So Amazon loves when we drive traffic from away from Amazon to Amazon. And they started offering this bonus for sellers and non-sellers. This could be anybody that is a Google ad expert, or it could be someone that is running affiliate ads, not through the affiliate program, but independently, or someone that's creating online content. And they said for any sale that comes through an Amazon attribution link, if you're enrolled into the brand referral bonus, whoever posted that link, whoever owns that link, whoever owns that traffic gets a 10% rebate on the sale. Boom. That's big. Now, this isn't going to last forever, but what this means is that people that are driving traffic from off Amazon to Amazon are now incentivized to do so by getting a rebate on that money spent. It's huge. So I'm seeing some crazy things happening. Like people are this is something I'm doing. I reach out to Amazon affiliates that might be getting a 1% to 2% commission, saying, hey, if you'll change up your game and run it through an attribution link, we can still track it. You still see the performance, and I'll give you back 10%. Amazon's paying me 10%. I give it back to them. Now I have someone running traffic to me for free. And it's 10%. It's sometimes 5 times the amount, sometimes even more than that, than Amazon pays affiliates. Or I can actually use, strategic analytics to figure out the SEO that I'm building up for this blog site, and this blog site's pushing traffic over here. Is it worth it? The money that I pay to this influencer to post it on their TikTok account, is that actual traffic creating more revenue or more profit, I should say, than the cost of that influencer? Because we now have this Amazon attribution, we can track our process, we can track our progress, we can track our traffic, we can track our performance, and we can take advantage of that brand referral bonus, which is pretty stinking valuable. So I'm sorry if my drawing wasn't up to par for many of you graphic designers and artists out there, but I feel like it's pretty good. Hope this is helpful. Love you all. Appreciate you. We'll see you on next week's Legion Live.